In the last episode, we brought you along our 10-day whirlwind adventure of flying back to Canada for work and play. Since arriving back to California, we've driven from LA to San Diego and are happy to report that we've been settling back into van life just fine. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our last destination before we cross the border into Mexico, San Diego! It's about 7 in the morning. The sun has already risen and we're just having some tea. I'm probably gonna make some soy yogurt and granola for breakfast. And then we have a really fun day of adventuring and getting to know San Diego. So, eyebrows up, get ready. How was your sleep, sunshine?
Oh my gosh, my sleep was literal sunshine. I woke up and it was just hitting me in the face, and it's just a great feeling.
It is.
We're planning a meetup, and unfortunately it's too late for you guys if you're in the San Diego area, but maybe it's a good lesson for you to make sure you're following us on Instagram, because that's where we usually announce our meetups. And so we're actually just organizing a place. We're on Fiesta Island right now, which is incredible. This is where Ladies Van had their big meetup last month, and it's just basically an island where you can just park and boondock, and awesome. So we're gonna figure out a new spot. I got someone recommending Ski Beach, so I'm just trying to do a little race here to sprinkle.
You're just working this hard in the morning?
Always, baby.
Morning kisses, buddy.
For the vlog, or you want a real one?
Thank you.
Give you a mix between them both.
Thank you, love.
So here on Fiesta Island, there's actually porta potties. Maybe I should bring some toilet paper.
Yeah.
Gracias. So we're not sure about the status of this porta potty type situation, but pretty nice that they have them. Great success. Definitely could have been worse, so just thankful that they had a situation. Otherwise, I would say you could dig a hole, but it's kind of bait. Like there's so many people around. I think you'd have to go to a cafe. So that's pretty nice. We finally upgraded to the Illuminous ladder. We haven't had to go on the roof for anything yet, except for the fact that we love going up and down and just playing on the ladder. But we plan on doing a roof rack, and maybe I'll show you. Just having the ability to access the roof, to clean the panels, and to use the shower is gonna be amazing.
Breakfast time.
Oh my gosh, that looks out of control.
Yep.
Hey,
Hey,
you brought your yogurt. Come on in.
do you guys remember Chase from RTR? Oh my
We've got
gosh.
some awesome scrambled egg Southwestern tacos.
Get out, brother.
They're not really egg. They're actually scrambled tofu. So.
Oh, these guys.
A splash of some vegan cheese.
These guys. Also, quickly want to introduce you. This is Pablo, and that's Jake, and Maria, and Chase.
Hey.
And this is their gorgeous bus, but we're gonna have breakfast and then we'll give you a bit of a tour.
All right, are you filming?
Always.
So as promised, we are going to tour you guys around this beautiful loft on wheels.
Our bus is a 40-foot Thomas MVP safety liner, 2004.
MVP.
Yep, MVP. It stands for more visibility or something like that, which is the front area. It's got a huge inline 6 diesel engine, 7.2 liters, so quite a powerhouse. And then being 40 feet long and 8 feet wide, we've got 250 square feet to play around with. So just slightly a bit bigger than some of the vans. And not to mention,
just a tiny little.
Not to mention we have a 64 square foot roof deck as well.
Weird flex, but okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna actually swap van for bus for at a minimum 24 hours.
You guys know, like, those reality shows of House Swap? I'm already, like, thinking of the title, like, you know, tiny house swap for 24 hours or something, bus life versus van life. It's gonna be so interesting because when it's parked, I want a bus.
Yeah. If you guys want to see us switch lives for 24 hours, smash the thumbs up. And if we get how many thumbs up, we'll do it.
1 million.
And thumbs in the air, we will switch for 24 hours.
Oh my God.
That's gonna be epic.
Maria's gonna have to poop in the woods.
It's not necessarily the tallest for, you know, our tall friends, but that's why we have our roof.
This is my chill zone.
Yep.
We went with a big fridge.
Yeah.
So we get a lot of drinks in there.
This is our wood stove. So we do dry wood heat to heat this entire space, and it's actually a Canadian-made cubic mini.
Yeah.
This is my wardrobe,
Chase's.
and
And this
then
is
How
like
much bigger is
coats.
Maria's?
hers is actually quite a bit bigger, and it's full. And then
And we
back
have
to the bedroom.
which will be Eamon's and Beck coming soon.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. So with this, we have entertainment area. Maria does freelance makeup on the road, and she has her dedicated makeup space for, you know, YouTube videos and Instagram videos. And then we've got our queen size mattress that actually came out of our house, and then a lot of storage under the bed. Our 100-gallon freshwater tank is under the bed as well.
Yeah.
Did you say 100 gallons?
100 gallons.
Oh my God.
We go for a little over 2 weeks before we need to fill up. If we get those
100 billion.
likes, they're gonna get to shower in our bathroom.
Please hit that like button.
So this is our 64 square foot roof deck, and it doubles as a roof rack. So we carry kayaks, some other stuff from time to time.
I've come back to the van to start preparing for our lunch potluck. Now you might be thinking, guys, you were just eating, but there actually have been a few hours that have passed, so you can forgive us. We're hungry again. And I actually have leftovers from this noodle bar we went to, so I'm gonna take the leftover noodles with veg, add more veg to it, and just like really give her like stir fry it up.
These guys introduced us to coconut LaCroix. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice.
I told them we're eating all day. That's the plan.
Literally.
These are good.
Good job on this, babe.
Thank you, love.
Look what Beck made.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, looks delicious. Strawberries, stir fry kind of vibe. And where is it? Jalapeno olives. And LaCroix, of course.
LaCroix, absolutely.
Great lunch, babe. Thank you.
Thank you guys for coming over for lunch.
We could be chilling in a much bigger space, but sometimes it's cozy, right?
Yeah.
We like rubbing elbows.
The squad is finished lunch, and what we've decided is the whole crew is gonna pile into their Jeep. Yes, they also have a Jeep. We're gonna head 20 minutes north. We're gonna go to Torrey Pines. The trailhead there is supposed to be really nice and goes along the ocean. We're gonna roll back here to Fiesta Island, pick up everyone's rigs, go down to Ocean Beach, watch the sunset, and make tacos. Let's go.
Hi there. $20?
All right, thank you. Whoa! So we kind of cheated that, guys. We saw a lot of people walking up, but we're at the top now, and I think the trails will continue as we explore. At least we hope. Otherwise, we just skipped our entire walk.
Activity for
We
the
can
day.
always drive back down. We have until 5.
No, we can go down and then go back on.
Anyway, as you can tell, we haven't researched this at all. We don't know what we're doing. Becca's telling them the nice day for it story because we're going on a hike. So yeah, I'm gonna start it up again.
So we've just been exploring. We've been calling it our choose your own adventure because as we're walking along, you can just kind of choose your own path. Now we're down at the beach, and it seems that it's low tide or the high tide's coming in, and it's coming kind of quick. But for the time being, we can kind of explore all of these things that we couldn't access when it's high tide. So let's check it out.
That's commitment, guys. You look beautiful. That'll conclude our little tour around the neighborhood. I would recommend it. What do you guys think of the little trek?
Yeah,
Worth it.
Pretty good.
well worth it.
Yeah, super
I think.
fun.
Yeah.
What was
And
that?
now we get to eat like endless tacos and not feel guilty about it. You know what I mean?
That's the best part.
It's been super fun toting around in the little Jeep, you guys.
Right?
Thanks for being our chauffeur, Chase.
No problem.
Chauffeur.
Chauffeur.
Continue on Torrey Pines Road.
Continue on Torrey Pines. I'm ready, boy. Let's hit it. Oh! Oh my golly.
David's dream.
Hold on. I need to get an outdoor shot of that, dude. Park.
Back to the van.
Back home.
Nothing I like more than coming home after a day of adventuring and watching the sunset with my love.
You're so lucky, huh?
I'm so lucky.
We're living a good life right now. So we'll follow you.
Can't wait to see this bus in motion.
That's loud. That's a loud bus.
We are all rolling out together to check out another area. Apparently Fiesta Island will be closed this evening for some restoration projects. So we are going to meet up with another friend named Aubrey, have a big potluck dinner, and is it called Ocean Beach? I think we're headed?
Yep.
And we're going to Ocean Beach. We'll catch you there. Oh, you're on my sweater. Thank you.
That's my sweater, actually.
You're on my sweater.
So we've made it to Ocean Park, and we're doing a little dinner. We're gonna cook dinner for the squad members.
We are making
What do you think we're making?
tacos, of course.
Uh-huh.
This is a classic taco mix. We got Mexican chipotle field roast, onions, peppers, and we're gonna fry it all up together. This is like got pieces in it.
In America, they serve field roast like this.
In links.
You notice that? In Canada, they don't do this.
Yes, I have.
In Canada,
noticed.
it's like a sleeve.
You're the cutest person ever.
We just make ourselves at home and someone
Yeah,
else.
we're just making ourselves at home. Exactly right. You know, it's the little things. I was just so jealous that she's got the instant sparker.
I know.
We don't have it hooked up, but that's pretty clutch.
Yum, and then this is what the spread's looking like.
Has Aubrey been introduced yet?
No, I was just gonna, you just ruined my pan shot to Aubrey! This beautiful tan surfer chick is just the coolest.
I don't really claim surfer.
She is
I'm
the
not
coolest
good
one.
at that yet.
I saw a
When I started
surfboard in your
surfing.
bathroom, so you're a surfer chick.
Yeah.
Okay, what else do we need?
And this is her sweet pup Ike.
Hello, Ike. The better half, huh?
You're very good at catch. Yeah.
I'm gonna use this. Is that all right?
Why are you grabbing these random things?
Because it's all I found.
This is your house. You should know.
It's not my house yet.
What do you want these for?
My plan was to mix some of that with that.
Okay, just do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Just do it to
Ready?
it.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I'm just gonna start with one.
It's phenomenal.
Bomb diggity.
So, and that's with a lot of the recipes that we've been
And where do you
Check
get
it out.
these recipes?
from your cookbook.
Oh, and where would they get a cookbook like that?
From these guys.
He doesn't know where to get it,
I have
man.
no clue where to get it.
How-
Eamonandbeck.com.
How was your dinner? Oh, look at you. You've inherited a
My
little
dinner
pot.
was incredible. I'm jealous of this guy right here because that's all I want to do.
Yeah, I think everyone's sleepy. Aubrey just smashed the dishes. Everybody, high fives for Aubrey. Woo!
Pretty good at cleaning
Thank
up
you for
things.
cleaning up for all of us. That was
Did you
very
introduce
sweet.
Ike?
What did you think of Din's?
Listen, I eat meat on a normal basis, and I didn't know there wasn't meat in it. It was so good.
Wow.
That's how I feel about that.
I'm so glad you
Freaking good
enjoyed it.
tacos, man.
My love in the kitchen. How did you go? Did you like dinner?
Wow. All I can say is you need the book to be able to eat as good as we did tonight.
Tell me how good it was in Spanish.
Oh, estaba demasiado rico. Todo, me gustó mucho. Lo que más me gustó creo que fue la crema de cashews. No sé cómo se dice cashews in Spanish.
Oh my gosh, just when I thought I couldn't fall more in love with you. Okay, so it sounds like it's bedtime for the crew. It's just like
Food coma.
and we're fingers crossed we can sleep here tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I really liked dinner too. It was very good.
Yeah. Well, that.
What are you doing?
This is.
Locks the door in.
No, doesn't it open it too?
No, that's this button.
Oh, I don't want to lock myself in right now.
He's like,
I wanted to flex on the vlog and leave, but it's not gonna work, huh? No. All right, see ya.
Good night.
Well, another one bites the dust, as they say.
That was such a fun day. I think I say this every vlog, but I love the feeling of being tired from having too much fun in the sun.
Unreal time here in San Diego. We are super excited for the meetup tomorrow.
Don't forget, guys, smash that thumbs up if you want to see us do a house swap.
A little nervous about driving that bus, but we will see you in the
I'm
next
a little
one.
nervous about how much I'm gonna love living in that freaking loft. Okay, you know what I mean?
Anyway, stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you then.
Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and other drugs.
So we got booked by the cops.